guests, respected members of the management, our Honorable Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, Headmistress Ma'am, dear teachers, loving parents, and all my wonderful friends. We happily welcome our dear management to our special evening, My Roots, My Pride. It fills us with joy to have you with us today as we celebrate our annual presentation, My Roots, My Pride. Today, we are about to travel through time, uncovering the golden threads of history and heritage that weave the beautiful tapestry of who we are. Reminds us that our culture, traditions and history are not merely stories of the past but living treasures, filling our hearts with pride and shaping our dreams for tomorrow. Before we begin this journey, it is our honor invite our respected Principal Ma'am, Miss Alka Avasti, to share her words of wisdom with us.
Good evening, everyone. The rain gods have been really kind on us today. We have had class 1 presentation which got over at 4:30. The rain started. Okay. So are we. It's so nice to see all of you here. So good evening to one and all present here. As we come together for My Roots, My Pride, we celebrate not just performance on stage, but the spirit of our tradition, the strength of our culture, and the pride of being rooted in timeless values. The event is an opportunity to remind us that while the world rapidly changes, our roots in respect, integrity, compassion keeps us firmly grounded. It gives me immense joy to extend a warm welcome to our esteemed chief guest, Dr. Pooja Devan, a distinguished name in medicine, a passionate musician, a woman whose life embodies service with excellence. Your journey, ma'am, is truly a testimony of how talent rooted in values can transform lives. We are equally delighted to welcome Ms. Ashu Gupta and Ms. Deepa Chaudhary, the visionary founders of Peas and Pod, who have been instrumental in shaping young minds with love, care and holistic education. Their philosophy mirrors ours at Mayur, where every child is valued, where every dream respected and every heart embraced. So a heartfelt thanks to all of you who are present here, and to the members of our management who wanted to be here, but they had certain last-minute engagements wherein they could not be here. But their vision, their commitment and constant encouragement empower us to uphold our legacy of excellence, and will ensure that every child walk into the Mayur fields rooted in values and prepared to soar high. Dear parents, grandparents, this evening belongs to us all, a celebration of who we are and what we stand for. So let us celebrate this evening with open heart, deep pride and the joy of knowing at Mayur, roots run deep and dreams soar high. So with this, I think the God has also started showering the blessings. So with this, I now hand over the mic to my little angels who will take us on this journey, and I'm telling you, I am really proud of each one of them. So thank you all once again, and God bless us all.
Your guidance lights our path, and we are so grateful for your love and support. Dr. Pooja Devan. She is not only a renowned gynecologist, infertility specialist with over 20 years of experience, but also the proud winner of Mrs. Universe Artistic 2023, Mrs. Universe Eurasia 2022 and Mrs. India 2022. A double doctorate, fellow in the Royal College in London, founder of Akadi Life, and a trained Hindustani classical singer with international musical uses. Dr. Devan is the perfect example of burning passion with purpose. Her dedication to women's health, research, music and social work has earned her vote and admiration across the globe. We welcome you, ma'am. With distinction, known for her dedication and sense of responsibility. She has automation system and is the founder of CanCare Foundation, an NGO for girl child education and animal welfare. Their shared passion for children led them to open the Peace in Pot preschool Come Take Care, a warm safe second home where learning is fun, every child is valued, and parents find peace of mind. We welcome you, ma'am.
नमस्कार कुलीजी। इंद्र देवता के वज्र यानी थंडर, इस गर्जन, इस भीनी भीनी खुशबू, ये सौंधी खुशबू और शायद कहीं ना कहीं हमारे बच्चों के रूप में कोई मयूर अपना नृत्य जरूर दर्शा रहा होगा। कहते हैं बच्चे मन के सच्चे। तो आपको एक हकीकत का किस्सा बताती हूँ जो कुछ साल बाद मैंने हमारे लेट प्रेसिडेंट राष्ट्रपति डॉक्टर कलाम की किताब इग्नाइटेड माइंड्स में पढ़ा। तो उनको बच्चों को बहुत शौक था। एक बच्चे ने उठकर पूछा, सर यू आर अ साइंटिस्ट, हु वॉज द वर्ल्ड्स फर्स्ट साइंटिस्ट? और उनका जवाब, जैसे कि हम आशा करते हैं, हर बच्चा पहला वैज्ञानिक साइंटिस्ट है। अब आप अपने बच्चों के तमाम सवालों का जवाब देते होंगे। क्यूरियोसिटी, द क्यूरियोसर, ये कैसे हुआ, ये क्यों हुआ, मुझे बताओ। वो इनक्विजिटिव है। ट्रिपल सी की अगर मैं बात करूँ, द 3 C's, नॉट द कंस्ट्रक्शन कंपनी, वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट रियल एस्टेट विच इज ऑल अराउंड अस विद ऑल द होर्डिंग्स, पर अगर ट्रिपल सी की मैं बात करूँ तो क्यूरियोसिटी, जिज्ञासा, कंपैशन, जिसको आजकल एम्पैथी में हमने रैप कर दिया है, और तीसरा कम्युनिकेशन। आप सोच रहे होंगे ये हिंदी में बात कर रही हैं। लैंग्वेज, expression. I am a mother of a child who was due to take admission in the school in the very year the land of this school was purchased. It's been a long journey of knowing Mayur as a school. Thank you so much to the founders, to the management, to the principal, Mrs. Avasthi here, to the headmistress, Mrs. Vasudha here, and to all the parents and all the little kids who bring in so much hope. छोटी सी बात कहूँ तो कोई बजा दे वो एक छोटी सी घंटी मेरे स्कूल की कि मैं थोड़ा सा मुस्कुरा लूँ। Doesn't it all bring us back to the same feeling? Going back to where I was, I feel curiosity and communication. In today's world, when we are always into our devices, we are communicating, but it's dry communication. वो feel, वो expression थोड़ा missing है। तो इससे पहले कि कुछ साल गुजर जाए और वो जो काफ़ी फेमस गज़ल आजकल बोली जाती है कि वक्त ही नहीं मिला, कि तमाम उम्र मेरे बच्चे के बचपन की गुजर गई कि वक्त ही नहीं मिला, वो ना हो, क्योंकि वक्त अभी ही है और आप सब यहाँ पर हैं। तो ये इसका टेस्टिमनी है कि वक्त निकाला गया है, पर सिर्फ फंक्शंस के लिए नहीं, रोज़मर्रा में वक्त निकाला जाए। और जाते जाते छोटी सी बात और कहती जाऊँगी, हम लोग अपने बच्चों का बहुत ध्यान रखते हैं, हम केयर करते हैं उनकी, बट कुछ समय बाद हम भूल जाते हैं कि हम उस केयर की सर्विस कर रहे हैं कि डिससर्विस कर रहे हैं। कहने का मतलब, हमारा बच्चा उठता है, फटाफट दौड़ के स्कूल चला जाता है, 2-4 कपड़े यहाँ रह जाते हैं, एक टॉवल वहाँ रह जाता है, एक बेडिंग वहाँ रह जाती है, जाओ जाओ स्कूल की बस पकड़ो। पर वो आदत नहीं होती कि अपना काम खुद करके जाएं। तो जिसको जस्टिस ऑफ केयर बोलते हैं, केयरिंग फॉर समबडी, द डेफिनेशन इज, अगर आप अपनी नीड को खुद नहीं पूरा कर सकते, तभी वो केयर है जो दूसरी पर्सन को आपको प्रोवाइड करनी चाहिए। तो अनलाइक द रियली डेवलप्ड नेशंस जैसे जापान, जहाँ पे पहले 10 साल स्कूल में, इवन चाइना में पहले 10-12 साल स्कूल में पढ़ाते तो कहाँ ही हैं, सिखाते हैं कि ज़िंदगी कैसे जीनी है, कैसे अपना क्लासरूम साफ़ करोगे तो कैसे अपनी चीज़ें साफ़ करोगे तो कैसे अपने टिफिन साफ़ करोगे। तो हमारे एजुकेशन सिस्टम में नहीं है, पर आप पेरेंट्स आपके घर के सिस्टम में होना चाहिए। और एक छोटी सी बात, मैं आज अपनी मातृभाषा, कैनॉट से द नेशनल लैंग्वेज ऑफ द कंट्री, पर अपनी मातृभाषा में आपसे वार्तालाप कर रही हूँ। मैं हिंदी में बोल रही हूँ। जितनी चेष्ट हिंदी में वार्तालाप करने में मैं सक्षम हूँ, बाय द ग्रेस ऑफ गॉड आई कैन स्पीक एज वेल एंड इन कमांड इन इंग्लिश। हम अपने बच्चे को सिखाते हैं हाउ आर यू, यू लव मी, वो गेट दिस। हम भूल जाते हैं कि कल्चर कहीं ना कहीं हमारी लैंग्वेज के अंदर भी है। और बस इसी बात के साथ कि इंक्लूसिवनेस हम बात करते हैं, तो हम बच्चों के साथ सभी मिक्स स्पेशल नीड्स किड्स सबकी इंक्लूसिवनेस की बात करते हैं। पर आज जो नेचर ने ये इंक्लूसिवनेस बताई है ना, जिसे इको सिस्टम, एनवायरनमेंट, इकोलॉजी बोलते हैं, इस इंक्लूसिवनेस में लिव एंड लेट लिव बहुत ज़रूरी है। वो जो एक लिजर्ड इधर से उधर जा रही थी, हम उससे डरते, इस गर्जन से भी डरते। तो इस इंक्लूसिविटी को भी थोड़ा सा लाइफ में डाल दें डिसाइड्स आउटडोर एक्टिविटीज। इसी के साथ कोई घंटी बजा देता तो शायद हम सब मुस्कुरा देते। थैंक यू, धन्यवाद।
And now, as we turn the pages of time, we invite you to open your hearts and immerse yourself in the magic. Our young artists are prepared. Together, let's relive the splendor of our heritage and celebrate our spirit, wisdom, and vibrant traditions that echo proudly. My roots, my pride.
मैं कल भी था, मैं आज भी हूँ, मैं नवयुग का अंदाज भी हूँ। सारी दुनिया का घर मुझ में, इस मिट्टी का आदर मुझ में, मैं देशभक्त भी कर रहा हूँ। मैं
यही मेरी पहचान है।
I am Bharat, not just the land, but the feeling. My soul lives in stories, whispered through generations. Walk with me through my past, where every tale mirrors our heart. Let me take you to a land where young prince named Siddhartha would one day become the Buddha, showed us what true kindness is. Oh no, this is who I have heard. Who did this? That girl is mine. I shot it. Give it back. But it is alive and it came to me for help. If I give it back, it will die. Isn't it better to save a life than to take it? It's mine, alright. I shot it. No, the dog belongs to one who saves, not to the one who harms. Buddham Saranam Gacchami Dharamam Saranam Gacchami. Say kind words, do kind things, see how much joy it brings. Buddham Saranam
सत्य कथा, पुरुषार्थ कथा, सुनो सुनो सिद्धार्थ कथा। सत्य कथा, पुरुषार्थ कथा, सुनो सुनो सिद्धार्थ कथा। चढ़ते सूरज सा तेज गान वो कीर्तिमान, खूंखार भरे जब कूच करे, थर थर कांपे आसमान। वो राजपुत्र वो शूरवीर, पर्वत को भेज दे उसके तीर, शांति का स्रोत करुणा की धार, निर्झर झरे मन से अपार। वो राजपुत्र वो शूरवीर, पर्वत को भेज दे उसके तीर, है शाक्य वंश का वो तारा। जगमग है जिससे जग सारा। दास गाता हूँ बुद्ध हुए।
Journey to the forest where a boy's devotion to his teacher knew no bounds. This is the tale of Eklavya. Eklavya, a tribal boy, was denied a place in Dronacharya's school. But he didn't give up. He created his own guru's idol and taught himself.
लक्ष्य तेरा है अटल, कल तू तेरा खुद बदल, बाण तू कमान पे चढ़ा। दूर चाहे हस्तिनापुर की दे के दक्षिणा, उठा धनुष तो फिर से वो खड़ा। तेज तेरा तीर है, धैर्य तुझ में धीर है, शिष्य कोई तुझसे ना बड़ा।
Who taught you this skill, young man? You did, Gurudev. I have learned before you, I did. I may not be your student in person, but your presence guides me every day. Then I ask you for a Guru Dakshina. Give me your right thumb. My thumb is yours, Gurudev. Today I have shown Eklavya for true devotion me. The world will remember your name long after the great warriors are forgotten. He lost his thumb, but won eternal respect.
आठ समंदर अपना नंबर खोज ले अब तू अपने दम पर भूख मार के ढूंढ जा रे छोड़ छाड़ के सारे चंबर खोल
मैं भारत हूँ, यही मेरी पहचान है।
I am Bharat, a clever source and knew no bounds. He gave everything to his gurus, teaching shows us that true dedication has no boundaries. Let's move to a story of friendship, where love and loyalty are worth more than wealth. This is the story of Krishna and Sudama. Traveled a long way to meet Krishna, the mighty king. Thought he had little to get, but his heart was full of love and hope.
अपने बचपन के सखा कृष्ण से मिलने के लिए द्वारिका धाम में देखो सुदामा आया है। कुछ नहीं भेंट में देने के लिए इसके सिवा मित्रता प्रेम और विश्वास साथ लाया।
Stop at it. Go in my Majesta. This is the king's palace. I am Sudama, a friend of Lord Krishna. Please tell him that I have come.
Friend of Krishna? Ha ha ha. It's fine. Right here. Your Majesty, a poor man named Sudama is at the gate. He says he is your friend.
Sudama, my dearest friend. Oh, Sudama. Why didn't you come sooner? These eyes are waiting for you. Krishna, I want nothing except some rice and memories. You brought love, my friend. That's all I ever needed.
तरसते हो तू आ जा रे, इस धरती का है राजा तू, ये बात जान ले तू, कठिनाई से टकरा जा तू, नहीं हार मान ले।
बिहारी, मनमोहन तेरी छवि अति प्यारी, मन मंदिर में सजे बिहारी, मनमोहन तेरी छवि अति प्यारी, बंसी बजैया रास रचैया, तारनहार मेरे तुम ही के भैया, तुमसे बड़ा कहाँ कौन कन्हैया। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। कृष्ण को दे सखिया, सबके स्वामी कल्याण पूर्ण कीजिएगा। को दे सखिया, सबके स्वामी कल्याण पूर्ण कीजिएगा।
मैं भारत हूँ, यही मेरी पहचान है।
I am Bharat. Sudama gave him nothing but love, and Krishna gave him everything. True friendship is built on heart, not on riches. Now let me tell you of a queen who fought fearlessly to protect her land. This is the story of Rani Lakshmibai.
मैं लक्ष्मीबाई हूँ, झांसी की रानी। झांसी को अंग्रेजों के हाथों में नहीं जाने दूंगी।
When the British tried to take Jhansi after the king's death, they thought the queen would surrender, but they didn't know. She was born to fight. Rani Lakshmibai gave her Jhansi.
No, Jhansi is mine. I'll not give it to you.
Rani Lakshmibai, your husband is gone. As per British law, Jhansi now belongs to us.
मैं अपनी झांसी नहीं दूंगी।
If you don't listen, we will fight.
Then I will fight. I'm not afraid.
You dare fight the British Empire.
I fight not for land, but for honor, for my people, and for Bharat.
तैयार है किसी भी स्थिति के लिए। मैं अपनी झांसी नहीं दूंगी। अगर युद्ध ही एकमात्र रास्ता है तो युद्ध होगा।
जीत की हवस नहीं, किसी पे कोई वश नहीं, क्या जिंदगी है ठोकरों पर मार दो। मौत अंत है नहीं तो मौत से भी क्यों डरो, ये जाके आसमान में दहाड़ दो।
मैं भारत हूँ, यही मेरी पहचान है।
I am Bharat with bravery in her heart and fire in her eyes. She became a symbol of resistance, and now from sword to wit, me too must get played with wisdom like a game of chess. But tomorrow morning, the stick of the thief will grow longer. All the guards take their stick and leave. जादुई छड़ी, अब मैं क्या करूं? कल तो मैं पकड़ा जाऊंगा। एक काम करता हूं, मैं अपनी छड़ी काट लेता हूं।
रत्न थे अकबर के बीरबल, बेजोड़ रत्न अनमोल रत्न थे अकबर के बीरबल। सूझ बूझ के किस्से कहानी ठिठोली बुद्धिमानी, सरताज थे चालाकी के, सरताज थे चालाकी के।
most difficult challenges can be solved. Finally, let's listen to the words of Kabir, a poet whose verses spoke of love, unity, and the oneness of all. This is the story of Kabir.
गुरु गोविंद तो खड़े काके लागो पाए, गुरु गोविंद तो खड़े काके लागो पाए, बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोविंद दियो बताए, कबीरा गोविंद दियो बताए।
On a quiet morning, in a bustling village market, Kabir devised food and said, "Walk with eyes full of wonder." He paused as he noticed a potter at work. A small child nearby, curious and wide-eyed, stood beside the potter and watched the potter too. Look how the potter shapes the clay with care, just like how God shapes us. Yes, Kabirji, the clay listens when my hands are gentle. It takes the shape I guide it into. But Kabir, what if the paper breaks? Then the potter makes it again. Just like God gives us many chances, then we make mistakes. True, little one, every lump of clay gets another turn on the wheel. We need second chances. The child looked thoughtfully, turning Kabir's words. Oh, in his young mind. So then, if I do something wrong, I can still be better? Yes, my child, if your heart is soft like clay, you can always learn and grow. But if it becomes hard with anger or pride, it breaks. Stay kind and soft inside, and God will shape you into something beautiful. And so, in a simple shaping of clay, Kabir showed a lesson that is humanity and tender heart. We all are vessels of grace and all is being found anew.
कबीरा खड़ा बाजार में मांगे सबकी है, ना कहूँ से दोस्ती, ना कहूँ से बैर, कबीरा ना कहूँ से बैर।
every stage, live in hearts, to remind you to be strong like Rani Lakshmibai, devoted like Eklavya, loving like Krishna, wise like Birbal, and peaceful like Kabir. I am Bharat, and you all are my future.
Well, good evening once again. The children rocked. This is just like हमारे जो बच्चे PM मोदी जी से मिले और हार्ट बनाने के लिए बोला, our heart is for you all. You all deserve it. So God bless you. They were amazing, and thank you all. I'm sure you all must be so proud of them. I've become taller. You know, because I'm so happy, I'm on top of the world. You guys rock. Who rocks? My dear angels, my little ones, I love you all. And teachers, वैसे तो thank you, वसुधा का काम था बोलना. But I must say, teachers, computer teachers, you amazed me with the presentation there. And dance teacher who had been dancing for the last 3-4 hours, you rock. And Prashant ji, आपकी team, वाकई में thank you to all Didi and Bhaiyas who made sure that this event goes on successfully. So thank you, and thank you parents. We love you all, and I also wanted to share with you, हमको हमारे स्कूल अब NCC भी स्टार्ट कर रहा है. हमको NCC के लिए भी. So we got it, and it's all because of the love, trust, and the respect that you've showered on all of us. Thank you, and God bless us all. Now over to you, Vasudha. I'm so sorry.
What a truly spectacular journey we have witnessed today, brought alive by brilliant creative performers. Let's give them a big round of applause for sharing their talent and love for our heritage so beautifully. To bring this memorable day to a close, we now invite our kind-hearted and ever-smiling headmistress, Ms. Vasudha Arora, to extend the vote of thanks.
Thank you. Roots give us strength and dreams give us wings. Today, we witnessed both come alive on this very stage. Good evening, everyone. Before I begin, I bow in gratitude to the Lord Almighty, whose blessings have guided us and made this evening so memorable. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our management for their unwavering support, and to our beloved Principal Ma'am for her inspiring leadership and vision, which makes celebrations like today truly possible. A warm thanks to our honored guests, whose gracious presence added joy, value, and meaning to this special evening. My sincere appreciation goes to our administrator and the transport department for smooth and seamless arrangements, as well as to our IT and computer teams, electricians and support staff for working tirelessly behind the scenes to make today's event flawless. A special note of gratitude to our art, dance and music departments for weaving magic into every moment, and to the sports and PE department for maintaining discipline with such dedication. My heartfelt thanks to the Class 2 teachers, the guiding stars behind the stellar performances, for mentoring our little achievers with so much love, patience and care. I also extend sincere appreciation to the pre-primary and primary wing teachers for their unwavering support throughout this journey. To our dear parents, thank you for your trust encouragement, and partnership in nurturing our children's growth. And finally, the loudest cheer tonight goes to our shining stars, our Class 2 Mayurians. You were the heart and soul of this evening, breathing life into every performance and leaving us all spellbound. As the curtains fall tonight, let us carry forward the spirit of my roots, my pride, cherishing our heritage, nurturing our dreams, and celebrating the magic of learning together. Thank you everyone for making this event truly unforgettable. Thank you.
Dr. Devan, our chief guest, will say something. So over to you.
India has won so many beauty pageants. Today, each one of our students has won the pageant of Mr. India and Miss India. So beautiful they look, in the beautiful costumes, the dress material, the shine, they all look awesome. And if I were to be YouTube inspired, which I am, the makeup artists, you parents, and the teachers, a big applause to each one of them, please. And this I say myself in the capacity of being Mrs. India and having won Mrs. Universe, I can tell you that the costumes and the makeup gives a huge challenge to our own Mrs. Universe and India team. I can tell you that for sure. Kudos parents, keep it up.
For kind and encouraging words and for always inspiring us to reach for success in all we do. As we come to the close of our program, may I request everyone to please rise for the national anthem, a symbol of our unity, pride and love for our country.
भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा इंद्र हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you.